Good evening, viewers. Of course, when we talk about Commonwealth Games for the people of India, there's certainly a feeling of deja vu, considering the fact last time we were the hosts for the Commonwealth Games. Questions in everybody's mind, what are we going to be doing this time? But of course, we're going to take you straight across to the Celtic Park, which is in the eastern part of Glasgow, just about an hour's drive from the Athletes Village, where our contingent is putting up 2,000 performers, 40,000 spectators, 1 billion television viewers. Those are the statistics doing the rounds this time around just for the opening ceremony. We're certainly looking forward to that. And of course, there are expectations in everybody's mind about how we're going to be doing. Darren, you and I were discussing this. Do you think it's right to make that straight comparison from what happened last time, considering the fact that Glasgow is not putting up the same events that we put up in 2010. You know, all in all, we have a fantastically placed contingent. Of course, Mary Kom could not make the cut. We have Pinky Jhangra in her place, who actually beat her in the trial round and has made it there for the Commonwealth Games. And this is the first time women boxing has been introduced, like he said, in Commonwealth Games. Olympics also was the first time when women boxing was introduced. I don't know why the world has taken so long to realize that women can box as well. Talking about the cultural program, which is lined up in store, of course, it is a closely guarded secret, but Darren has managed to get some of the secrets out. Rod Stewart should be performing there. Remember, some guys have all the luck, so he's going to be around. Susan Boyle from Britain's Got Talent. Now, she's somebody who wouldn't have ever dreamt that she could be performing on a platform like this. She's a girl from Scotland, there from Glasgow. So people of Glasgow will be looking forward to watch her perform, and she's really lucky to be performing along with Rod Stewart today.
बिल्कुल शानदार ओपनिंग सेरेमनी का अब हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं। काउंटडाउन शुरू हो चुका है। थोड़ी ही देर में ओपनिंग सेरेमनी शुरू होगी। कहा यह जा रहा है कि बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की गई है, और जैसा कि कांति ने बताया, नामी गिरामी हस्तियां आ रही हैं वहां पे। रॉड स्टुअर्ट वहां परफॉर्म करेंगे। अपने आप में एक देखने वाला नजारा होगा। और उन्होंने कहा कि ये सीक्रेट था, मैंने उसे रिवील कर दिया। मैं आपको एक बात और बता दूं, शायद क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी में काइली मिनोग आए, जिनकी आप बहुत बड़ी फैन हैं।
So you gotta wait for that, Darren.
This is the start of the show.